Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, A World of Automotive Excellence, where innovation meets elegance and performance intertwines with style. Today's video is all about the legendary Porsche 911 Carrera T. Get ready to be blown away by this incredible car that combines timeless design with mind-blowing performance. This automotive masterpiece is a testament to Porsche's dedication to precision engineering and driving perfection. Catch up and let's dive into the main features that make the Porsche 911 Carrera T a true force to be calculated with. So, let's get started. The Porsche 911 Carrera, initially met with uncertainty in 1968, has become a revered model today. After a slow start, it gained popularity until its termination in 1973. In 2017, the Carrera T made a brief return, and now, in 2023, it reappears as part of the 992 generation. Positioned between the base 911 and Carrera T, it combines elements from both to offer an affordable alternative with a touch of 911 GTS flair. For newcomers to the Porsche 911 world, the Carrera T is an attractive choice. It comes at a slightly higher price than the standard Carrera, but includes numerous upgrades, making it suitable for parking alongside a luxurious 911 GT3 Touring. Here's the best features of the Porsche 911 Carrera T1. Unique styling. Porsche's strategy for the 911 has long been a careful evolution of styling, and so far it's been successful. Even though the car has grown stronger and more substantial over time, it still reserves the basic idea. While this 8th generation 911 carries the frame's shorthand 992, you'd possibly confuse this with a 2018 model at first glance. The brand threw in some extra styling cues to the new 911 Carrera T. It now rolls on 20-inch front and 21-inch rear wheels from the Carrera S, and comes with a marginally lower seating position than the base model. To further set the Carrera T apart from its base and S cousins, its exterior features metallic accents painted a dark gray color, as well as stylish side labels. Dark gray emphasizing details make the 911 Carrera T stand out from the other models in its line. The top and bottom of the mirrors, door logos, rear logos, and trim strips on the rear lid fence feature a contrasting style in agate gray. A gray top tint can also be found on the windscreen. 2. Slightly lighter. Taking a look at the weight factor, Porsche claims that a manual 911 Carrera T without the rear seats weighs 3,241 pounds. A lightweight battery, thinner glass, and less sound insulation are additional advantages of the Carrera T over the automatic transmission base model. The weight is slightly increased by some of the Carrera S specific components, sport exhaust, bigger wheels, but overall, it weighs 77 pounds less than the base Carrera. But of course, the Carrera T isn't a 911 GT3 that will compete in the 24 hours of Le Mans on public roads. The Carrera T is essentially a basic Carrera with slight modifications, and offered with a manual transmission along with a few components from its faster stablemates. So those weight savings don't really do much. We get it. Having the lightest 911 currently available makes a great point of bragging, even if the difference is small. Before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe to this channel for informative and amazing videos. 3. Performance. The Porsche 911 Carrera T features a 3.0 liters flat-six engine with twin turbochargers, delivering 379 horsepower at 6,500 RPM and 331 pound-feet of torque between 1,950 and 5,000 RPM. Actual power output may surpass these figures as Porsche tends to downplay its performance. The Carrera T offers a 7-speed manual transmission for purists and an optional 8-speed Porsche PDK automatic. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour takes 4.3 seconds, with a top speed of 181 miles per hour. The engine's distinctive boxer sound enhances the driving experience, complemented by standard features like the Sport Chrono package and PSM Sport suspension. Behind the wheel, the 2023 Porsche 911 Carrera T exhibits precise steering, responsive throttle, and robust braking. Its twin-turbo H6 engine provides ample thrust throughout the rev range, delivering excellent grip and accurate responses in various driving conditions. 4. Design that turns heads. The Porsche 911 Carrera T captivates with its unmistakable design, a perfect balance of tradition and innovation. The iconic flyline, the elegant rooflines, and the long, flat bonnet give this car its distinctive character since its inception in 1963. Just one glance and you'll understand why the 911 is attractive. 5. Interior experience. Open the door of the 911 Carrera T, and you'll step into a world of sporty elegance. The cockpit is designed with utmost attention to detail, featuring GT Sports steering wheel, instrument cluster, and Sports Seats Plus. With a seamless blend of analog precision and digital integration, the interior brings together timeless design and progressive technology in perfect harmony. Stepping inside, you'll be enveloped in luxury. The cabin is a harmonious blend of cutting-edge technology and classic Porsche craftsmanship. The sport seats, adorned with the Carrera T logo, offer superb support and comfort, ensuring an enjoyable driving experience whether you're on the open road or the racetrack. 6. Perfect blend of tradition and innovation. The Porsche 911 Carrera T effortlessly combines timeless design with progressive technology. The exterior design unites traditional and modern elements, with features like the seamless light strip and the eye-catching Targa bar. The wheels, available in various sizes and designs, add a touch of athleticism to this already stunning masterpiece. That's all for today. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey through the Porsche 911 Carrera T. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to join our vibrant community. Stay tuned for more exciting discussions and tech explorations. Stay tuned for more automotive adventures.